What is up, you guys? Thank you for tuning in to Tasty Travel Reviews. Today we're going to do a little bit different video today. So instead of cooking, we're going to be doing a little unboxing of the Masterbuilt Electrical Smoker. This is very, very special. I always wanted a smoker. We tried smoking it on the charcoal grill. That turned out pretty good, but today we're going to try the real deal. Let's get into it. Okay, before we go any further, unboxing the electric smoker. Little specifics about this smoker right here. Okay, so it's electronically powered, obviously. It's an electric smoker.
That's pretty cool.
Yep. So it's digital temperature controlled. So you can dial up the temperature up and down. Nice. It's nice. Oh yeah. So four chrome coated smoking racks. So you got 4 racks. And cooking temperatures up to 275 degrees. I can't wait to do it.
Perfect smoking condition.
What else?
Large capacity of, wow, 711 square inches of smoking space.
That's a good size right there. Oh look, added flavor. You can put wood chips on the side.
That's cool, wood chip.
Part right there. I'm ready to get into it.
That's pretty exciting.
Back to the box. Can you see that? I'm getting excited. Alright, so this is how it looks so far. That's where the wood chips goes. So on the side, there's a wood tray. Goes right here. So essentially, you stick it in, twist it over, it dumps all the wood chips out, and it heats it. That's how you get the smoke. The smoker is completely assembled. I'll give you a quick walk around. So here inside, it's all the racks. There's a water tray right here that you can fill up. You can see the max level there, right there. It tells you how high to fill up the water. There's a wood chip tray right here. So essentially, if you can look underneath here, that right there is the cylinder where you put your wood chips in. You turn that around and it will dump the wood chips right into the tray. Right here. This component right here heats up the wood chips, and that's how you get smoke. There's 4 racks right there. There's the digital gauge and the temperature settings and the timer. It's the ventilation. Right over here, it's the wood tray. Put it right here. You can see you get that twisted, just like that. Okay, and then right along to the back is the drip tray. See that? So essentially, your grease, whatever, your fats, drips out here to this pan right here. And just grab the handle. Yes, these two hooks right here. See the back? So you just prop it on, slide it in like that. Let me show you the tray on the inside. Okay, so you got all your food right here, right? So everything drips down into all this tray. See, it all comes down, and this right here, as you can see, it has legs right here on one side of the pan, so it's angled down like this. It's down like that, so that way essentially all the oil drips down that way into the hole back here. See that? It's one single hole right there, and that will drip out back into the drip pan. So that is it. So now we're gonna head to the store, get some wood chips, and start this up. Oh, by the way, in order to get this started, well, before you even start smoking anything, you gotta pre-season the smoker. It recommends you to turn on the temperature to 275, let it run for 3 hours, then allow it to cool. After that, you can start smoking. Well, that's all for now, guys. Stay tuned for part 2 when we actually start using the smoker. Be sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you find this video helpful, and I will see you next time when we start smoking.